we have Auto Avenger. It spins and it lights up. Let's take a look. Each case includes 2 of these big boxes. Each box you will have 1 auto machine with 3 refills. And this time we also have individual refill cases. This is so cool. And for each of these big boys, there are 300 shots. And for the refill cases, the packing is 9-1. There is our auto machine. Putting these together is pretty easy, and later on I discovered that these help the Auto Avenger stand up vertically on the floor, and that will be a really nice display. This also needs 4 AA batteries. Batteries are not included, so it will be a good idea to have some in your store. This is the front part of the auto machine, and you can see there is a slot for you to put in the refill. And if you look carefully on top of the refill right here, there's little 2 parts that you can use to lock in the refill once you slide it in. You can secure the refill in the auto machine by turning it a couple times, and when you hear the click sound, and it's pretty obvious when it's in place, and here you go, you have yourself a super awesome Auto Avenger.